Okay, we have some neurological issues going on. You can see the twitch going on the left side. Dr. Hand is working with this individual for the second time today. We're able to get the twitch to stop.
Okay. Gracias. 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 So this gentleman just had some spastic paralysis, some intense twitching, one atlas adjustment. Unbelievable. It's just the power of the human body. Bien. Bien.